Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my barbecue style turkey. So if you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by butterflying our turkey. This is going to help the turkey cook even and faster. So for that, make sure that you pat dry your turkey first. Remove the excess fat on both ends. Separate the breast from the skin. Okay, so once the front of our turkey is good to go, we're going to flip it over and now get ready to remove the spine. So just cut right down in the middle. So once you got one side, just go to the other and do the same. Once we remove the spine, you can save it to make your broth. But now we're just going to crack the breast. So just open it and then press it down. So your bird should be nice and flat. So now sprinkle your salt, and for each pound you're going to be using half a teaspoon. Make sure that you get in between the breast and the skin. This is going to help our turkey be nice, juicy, tender, and very flavorful. Flip it over to the other side and sprinkle the back as well. So get the salt all over. Okay, so as we have our turkey all nice and salted, we're going to transfer into a roasting rack. That's where we're going to be placing it in our refrigerator. Now we're going to place it in our refrigerator and allow it to rest overnight. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day, so now we can get ready to finish up our turkey. We're going to be patting dry our turkey just to remove the excess moisture. Here we're going to insert the butter. And I'm using 2 tablespoons of butter per side. So just massage it, get it in there. And it's okay because it's going to melt once we cook the turkey, so don't worry. I'm going to be making my own dry rub, so I'm just going to mix all the spices together. And once you mix all the spices together, you can taste it and see if you want it more sweeter or more spicier. But this for me is always perfect, so we're just going to keep it as it is. Going to flip the turkey over. Just try the side. Rub a little oil. I'm using avocado, but of course you can always use your choice of oil. Just make sure that you rub it all over the turkey. Now sprinkle the dry rub and just pat it in to kind of secure the rub. Okay, flip it over. Add the oil, rub it. Add some of the dry rub in between the breast and the skin. Now sprinkle the dry rub all over the turkey. So here we're going to tuck the wings behind the breast. And once we have our turkey all nice and seasoned, we're going to allow it to rest for at least 30 minutes, and then we can get ready to take it to the grill. Okay guys, so after 1 hour, we're going to set our turkey into our pellet grill. I have it set at 275 degrees. We're going to allow it to cook for 1.5 hours or until the internal temperature of our breast shows 160 degrees. Okay guys, so once the turkey reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees, we're going to remove it from the grill, cover it with foil, and allow it to rest for at least 30 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 30 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part. So I'm going to begin by removing the thigh and the leg. It should be super tender and easy to come off. Okay, and I'm just going to get a piece of the breast because that's my favorite part. And just look at that. Look at how juicy that is. I'm ready. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious, so flavorful, so juicy. It's honestly the best. So if you still don't know how to prepare your turkey this year, then let me tell you, this is how you should do it. So delicious. And don't skip on the salting the turkey, because honestly that gives it all the flavor throughout every layer of your turkey, not just, on the outside. This right here, it's the best. So I am ready. You guys are ready? Yes, you are. Look at that. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it and just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious barbecue style turkey. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.